today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your computer using Windows 7 to Windows 10. So today is 15 December 2020. So let's see if Microsoft still give an free Windows 10 upgrade. Okay, so here is PC as M1930 model. Okay, because of some lagging issue, I just formatted it with as a recovery. Okay, if you see here, I'm using as recovery management features that's installed in the computer. Okay, restore in factory default. Then I'll install the Windows 7 Basic. And after that, what I do to upgrade, I go to this website, Microsoft.com. Okay, download Windows 10. So here I downloaded a software for to upgrade your window from Windows 7 to Windows 10. Okay, and then here is the software. Okay, media creation tools that are needed to upgrade your Windows. Okay, now so what you need to do, you just double click this software. Okay, and getting few things ready. So let's see if Microsoft still give us Windows upgrade. As you previously, this window is installed Windows 7 Basic and upgraded to Windows 10. Because of lagging, I reformat it and it back to Windows 7 originals. So now I'm going to try to upgrade it back to Windows 10. So okay, applicable notice license, accept. Okay, what you want to do, upgrade the PC, create media. So I want to upgrade this PC now. So downloading Windows 10, progress 1%. So let's see if after 100% or 80%, then see how. Okay guys, now it's just now at the first we already go through 100%. Now it might go to the second stage, progress of the downloading. So now we are in creating Windows 10. Just now we already verifying downloading 100%. Now we go to the creating Windows 10 media and progress 46%. So guys, after we are going to this Windows where you checking your PC. We're still in the process of upgrading Windows 10. So now we go to checking your PC system. Okay, we are getting few things ready. Applicable notice and license term. So we just accept the license. For your information, this PC have a valid license window. So make sure you're ready to install. This may take few minutes. Please wait. So it's ready to install. Check for updates. 10%. Make sure you are ready to install. So the window asks us to make sure we are really ready to install, and this may take a few minutes. So now ready to install. You won't be able to use PC while Windows install. Save and close file before you begin. To recap, you choose to install Windows 10 Home, keep personal file and apps. So ready to install. Okay, proceed, install. Okay, installing Windows. Your PC will restart several times. It might take a while. Okay, so I think let's see if we can install Windows 10 without any problem. So if this goes well, then Microsoft still give us a free upgrade until today. So today is 15th of December 2020, right? Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, the PC's now is working on updates after I installed the Windows 10, and I now it going to the window, but before that it need to work on updates. So now it's 1%. So see how if it up to 100% updates. Okay guys, so what you see here is I successfully upgrade my window from Windows 7 license to Windows 10. Okay, we can check here. About your PC. So this is the model of the computer, and then now edition Windows 10 Home. Okay, version 2.0H, so the latest version of Windows 10. So guys, we are Microsoft still give us Windows 10 upgrade without any fees charging. So yes, it's working. I can access my Office. So but a bit slow might be because of I already upgraded to Windows 10 and it's a bit slow because of the software. And I can, let's see, we can access the internet. Installing. So let's see if I can access the internet. We're going to YouTube. See if you have any problem after upgrade. Okay, good. We can access YouTube without any problem after upgrade it to Windows 10, but a bit slow. So you might need to think to upgrade your RAM or your hard disk so it can match to the Windows 10 specification. So that's all, guys. I managed to upgrade my Windows to Windows 10 without any problem, and Microsoft still give us free upgrade. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.